Hello friends, welcome to Ruba's Diary. In this video, we are going to see some useful cooking tips. If you still did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Holding a cutting board in place, a board that slides around the counter while you are chopping in an accident waiting to happen. Keep your hand right with a cut to fit pieces of rack pad or shelf inner. Wash in the top rack of the dishwasher as necessary. Keep herbs tasting fresh. You can keep herbs tasting fresh for up to a month by storing them in whole bunches, washed and sealed in plastic bags in the freezer. When you needed them, they will be easier to chop and they will defrost the minute they hit a hot pan. You can also freeze fresh cut herbs in ice cube tray in olive oil. They are perfect for adding to sauces, stews, and even sauteing vegetables and meats. Thank you for watching.